Dear friends, good evening to one and all. I am Dr. Arun, Senior Lead Consultant Gastroenterologist and Hepatologist. Today I am here to show you all a real case scenario and also a very pathetic scenario to whom I have recently encountered in a middle-aged woman who just completed 30 years of age who presented to us with history of prominence in her tummy. When I examined her, it shows a very clear pointer that her tummy been fully loaded with so much amount of fluid. If a patient normally, in case if the patient is going to land up with so much of amount of fluid accumulation in the tummy, it's nothing but ascites. If a patient is going to land up with this kind of ascitic problem, most of the time the differential diagnosis will be mainly because of liver related pathology. In this patient, we had a suspicion that this is not because of liver related problem, so we need to look for something else apart from that. So which made us to do a colonoscopic examination, and it shows a very prominent projection in a colon. It's nothing but a prominent ovarian cancer. So in a female patient, if the patient is going to land up with large amount of fluid accumulation along with this kind of background, it's most of the time will be advanced scenario. So why I would like to point out, not all fluid accumulations because of liver related pathology. You need to look for something else like tuberculosis, ovarian cancer, any other peritoneal malignancies. There are so many reasons for us to look into that. Thanking you all for patient listening and to overcome this diagnosis.